Good morning mga kayos! So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aming pinagstayhan dito sa Oslob, Cebu. Pasensya na yung boses ko malat kasi kahapon nakainom ako ng salt water. Sobrang sakit. So ayan, here we stay here in Aloha. Take a look. So that is the beachfront. We occupied 3 of the out of 4. So, yung last lang, ito lang yung hindi namin in-occupy. The rest, we occupy that rooms. So, ayan. So, this is the surroundings. So, naandyan yung information. So beautiful here. Ayan. Here, there, you can sit down and watch the beach. So, we are right after the beach. Ayan siya. So, mataas na kaagad ang araw. At 5, the sunrise starts. So, ito ang beach dito sa Oslob. Yan, nakikita nyo yan. So, ayan yung mga bangka. Yan yung mga, nandyan yung mga whale shark. So, yan yung mga snorkeling, watching, whale shark watching. Ayan lang sila right after dito sa aming where we stayed here in the resort. Ayan. The weather today is so nice, unlike yesterday. Yesterday, hindi kami medyo lucky sa pag-aming whale shark watching. Kasi siya, super alon. Ngayon, super calm. Tapos maaraw na agad siya. Ayan. So beautiful. Ayan, nakita nyo doon. Ang daming tao. Ayan, i-focus natin. Ayan, yung mga tao na yan, mga nag-aabang yan, nakapila para sumampa sa bangka para mag-swim with the whale shark or watch sa boat. Yan, by the way, yung swim with the whale shark is just 500 pesos for the locals and 1,000 pesos for the foreigners. Ayan. Pero pag ang foreigner may kasamang Pinay or Pinoy, 500 pesos na lang din. Ayan. Super friendly yung mga tao dito, guys, as in. Ayan. So I love it here. Even here, yung owner ng ng resort, napaka-friendly nila. So I recommend this resort. Is a beachfront. I see a lot of fishes jumping in the water sa harapan kung makikita lang sana ninyo. Napakadami, as in yung para siyang mga sardines, ganun. Thank you God for all the blessings, diba? Ayan. Nagigising ko lang pala, guys. Actually, 3 times ako nagising. Midnight, and then 4 in the morning, and then 5, mga quarter to 6. Ayan, maga pa yung mukha ko. Well, anyways, lagi namang maga yung mukha. So, that's all, guys. We're gonna I'll be heading today to Cebu City to a little look around the city, and then in the afternoon around 6 we're gonna heading back to the airport because our flight is around 8 in the evening to Puerto Princesa. Ayan. So our journey will continue. So ayun lang, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. And click nyo na rin yung bell button para ma-notify kayo for my next videos. See ya! Bye!